Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to scan QR code and connect Wi-Fi on mobile. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on settings right here. Just like so. Next thing you need to do is simply click on Wi-Fi. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on this particular icon from the top right here. Click on that and position the Wi-Fi. Scan QR code to join Wi-Fi. And once you position the QR code, and it will automatically connect you to available Wi-Fi. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.